Hey future engineers, welcome to Civil Study Zone, the powerhouse of civil knowledge, where every concept gets clearer, smarter, and stronger, just like your future career. Today, we are laying the foundation of your learning literally as we explore one of the oldest, strongest, and most essential building blocks of construction bricks. So, before we cement the concept, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell icon. Bricks are one of the oldest construction materials in human history and they've stood the test of time. Why? Because they're economical, durable, and easy to work with. They form the backbone of walls, pavements, foundations, basically, your entire built world. They're easy to transport, easy to lay, and ideal for strong, long lasting bricks are perfectly shaped for human hands, rectangular, and designed for speed and simplicity on site. This shape means faster work, stronger bonding, and uniform structures. So, yes, there's science behind that shape. From stacking to strength, the shape promotes efficiency in every bricklayer's hand. Not all bricks are the same. Depending on what's available and required, we use clay bricks, natural, low cost, widely used, sand lime bricks, smooth and uniform, fly ash or OPC bricks, eco friendly and industrially strong. Every type of brick serves a purpose in modern construction. A standard brick isn't just a block, it follows smart proportions. Length equals 2 times width plus thickness of mortar. Height equals width. Why? To ensure they align properly in masonry bonds like English or stature bond, giving both strength and symmetry. The ideal weight of a brick between 3 to 3.5 kilograms. Why is this important? Because it's heavy enough to provide stability, yet light enough to be handled by masons all day long. Engineering isn't just strength, it's balance and practicality too. Ever seen a depression on a brick? That's called a frog. It has two important jobs. Branding, the name of the manufacturer is pressed into it. Structural, it locks in the mortar, creating better bond strength and resisting shear forces. Yes, even a frog strengthens your walls. Standard frog dimensions are length 10 centimeters, width 4 centimeters, depth 1 centimeter. These are enough to fill mortar without weakening the brick. Precision makes all the difference when your goal is strength and symmetry. Sometimes bricks come without frogs. Bricks with only 4 centimeters height are too thin for a frog. Extruded bricks made by machines have no frogs, but their rough texture ensures they bond well. So remember, a missing frog isn't a mistake, it's often by design. If you learned something new today, comment brick strong below. Like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to Civil Study Zone ETU. We're here to make you site ready, exam ready, and future ready. Until next time, keep building, keep learning. Jai Hind.